gonna show you how to ride a homeboy. I'm just starting. So like and make sure you get this to 30K.
Tell them what's your name?
And I'm showing.
Now ride your hoverboard.
If y'all wondering what is that beat, it's my homeboy.
And why is it beeping? And why is it beeping?
It beat when it is dead. So
it's dead and you still riding it? It's going dead.
Yeah, it's going dead.
Yeah, I don't know what you might get. And that's the end of that, right?
Yeah. Make sure you get this a thumb up.